Meet the 2025 Honda X-ADV, a motorcycle that refuses to fit into just one category. It's not just an adventure bike, and it's not just a scooter. It's both. And now, it's available in Japan with fresh updates and bold new styling. First introduced in 2017, the X-ADV combines the agility of a scooter with the rugged capability of an adventure bike. Over the years, it has evolved into a popular model, especially in Europe. The 2025 model ups the ante with an aggressive new look, featuring dual LED headlights and integrated turn signals for a sharper, more modern appeal. Technology is front and center with the new 5-inch TFT display, enhancing visibility and functionality. Honda has even refined the underseat lighting because details matter. Powering the 2025 X-ADV is a water-cooled, 4-stroke parallel twin, 745 cubic centimeters SOHC engine, delivering 58 PS at 6,750 RPM and 7.0 kgm of torque at 4,750 RPM. Built on the trusted NC 750 platform, it features Honda's advanced DCT transmission, letting riders switch between automatic and manual shifting seamlessly. Whether commuting or exploring, this machine adapts effortlessly. For 2025, Honda introduces the eye-catching Matte Gold Finch Yellow alongside Matte Deep Mud Gray and Pearl Glare White. With a seat height of 790 millimeters, a 13-liter fuel tank, and a weight of 237 kilograms, the X-ADV balances power, comfort, and maneuverability. The 2025 Honda X-ADV is priced at 1,471,800 yen for the Matte Gold Finch Yellow and 1,438,800 yen for the other colors. Official release, December 12, 2024.